We've just fitted one of our mini heat pumps. Just taking a video to show how quiet it is. It's on full turbo mode at the minute because the hot tub's at 9 degrees. We've set it to 40 degrees, so we're going to see how long it takes to get it up to 40 degrees now.
I don't know, half an hour or so long so far.
Well, we've been messing about with it for half an hour to be fair, so I'm going to make it 11:30, not 11 o'clock. Okay.